In today's video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to change your YouTube channel name. So let's begin. So I'm at my Natural Vita tutorial channel. I'm going to switch to one of my other channels, and I'm going to do that right here at the top right hand corner where my avatar is. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on switch account. And you can see here that I have quite a number of different YouTube channels. So I'm going to click on this one here, Natural Vita Grow Mindset Family. And this is my avatar for that channel on the top right hand corner. So I'm going to click on the avatar again. Then I'm going to click on your channel. So you can see now that I am on my home page for my Natural Vita Grow Mindset Family channel. To change the name, I'm going to click on Customize Channel. And you will have these options on every home page of your YouTube channels. So it doesn't matter what YouTube channel you have. If you click on that channel and you go to the home page, you will see the option to customize channel. When you click on it, then here where your profile picture is, you can see the pencil icon. Just click on that pencil icon and then click on edit. And it's going to redirect me to my Google About Me page. And I have the option to change my profile picture straight away. I'm going to close this pop-up window. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And you can see this is my channel name, Natural Vita Grow Mindset Family. And I have the pencil icon here for which I can use to change my channel name. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to scroll down. I can change my profile picture here by clicking on the camera icon, but I don't want to do that. I just want to change my name here, so I'm going to change it to just Family. And then I'm going to click OK. And it's just letting me know that people change their names infrequently in the real world, so Google limits the number of times that you can do this, which makes perfect sense. And I have changed the name for this channel quite a bit, so I don't know if it will let me change it again. Let's see. So now I'm going to click on Change Name. And it has allowed me to change my YouTube name for that channel. Yay! Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my YouTube channel, which is Natural Vita Grow Mindset Family. As you can see here, the Google About Me page was opened on a different tab. So I'm going to click on the tab that was already opened, and I'm just going to refresh it to see if my name has changed. And you can see it has changed here, Natural Vita Family. Yay, that's how easy it is. Anyways guys, so this is how easy it is to change your YouTube channel name. If you found this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next video. Bye bye.